Hello students, today we are going to discuss about simple future tense. Simple future tense we use to refer to action that will happen in the future. This we use to refer an action that will happen in the future that will happen in the coming time. This is the rule for the simple future tense. First of all we write subject, then we write will or shall. Then we write verb 1, then object. Now shall, where we use shall or where we use will. Shall we use only with I or we subject, only with the two subject shall. We can't use any other subject with the shall, only two subjects I and we. Now will we can use with all subjects as like he, she, it, you, they, and I and we also. Will we can use with I and we also, but shall we can't use with he, she, it, or they, okay, or any other subject. Shall we can use only with two subjects, only two subjects, that is I and we. Okay, next example is here. I will buy new shoes. I will buy new shoes. They will attend class tomorrow. Full stop. Next, children will go to park. Next, they will visit my office. Next, they will eat fruits. Next, he will sing a song. Next, she will do study. Next, it will run fast. Next, you will write neat. Next, we will play cricket. Keep one thing in your mind, beta. With I and we can use shall. Here I have written will. If you will write here shall, it is also correct. Will is also correct. Both correct. But if you will write here shall with they, with any other subject, that is wrong. Okay. Now with they will, children will, they will, he will, she will, it will, you will. Here all correct. Now we will, this is also correct, but here we can use only shall also. This here both correct. Now we will talk about negative sentences in simple future tense. How to make negative sentences. Here this is the rule for negative sentences is in future simple future tense. First of all we write subject, then we write will or shall, and after helping verb will or shall we write not. Then we write verb 1, then object. Okay, example is here. I will buy new shoes. Will is a helping verb. After first helping verb we put not. I will not buy new shoes. I will not buy new shoes. Full stop. Next example. They will attend class tomorrow. They will, after helping verb, after first helping verb not. They will not attend class tomorrow. Full stop. Other same, just first helping verb we will put not. Other sentence is same. Children will go park. Children will not go park. Full stop. They will visit my office. They will not visit my office. Full stop. They will eat fruits. They will not eat fruits. Full stop. He will sing a song. He will not sing a song. Full stop. She will do study. She will not do study. Okay, clear to all negative sentences how to make in the simple future tense. Now we will discuss about the interrogative sentences in simple future tense. In simple future tense, interrogative sentences, we put the helping verb at the starting of the sentence, at the beginning of the sentence. This is the rule. Start the sentence with helping verb will or shall according to subject. Shall with I or we and will with all subjects. Will or shall, then we will write subject, then verb 1, then object, then question mark. For example, it will run fast. Now, which is helping verb? Run. Run is a helping verb. First helping verb we will put at the starting of the sentence. Will it run fast? Question mark. Second, you will write neat. Now helping verb, take the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Will. Will you write neat? Question mark. Next, we will play cricket. Take the helping verb at the starting of the sentence. Will we play cricket? Question mark. They will eat fruits. Take the helping verb at the starting of the sentence. Will they eat fruits? Question mark. I will buy new shoes. Take the helping verb at the starting of the sentence. Will I buy new shoes? Question mark. Next, he will sing a song. Take the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Will he sing a song? Question mark. Children will go to park. Take the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. First helping verb. Will children go to park? Question mark. This is compulsory. Question mark. If you will not put this, then your sentence is incomplete. Okay students, I hope you understand all. It's very easy tense. Thank you.